Angles, triangles, and equations test. Number 1. In triangle FGH shown below, what is the measure of angle F in degrees? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 2. Triangle ABC is shown below. Based on the information given in triangle ABC, which statement is true? A. Angle A is larger than angle B. B. Angle C is larger than angle A. C. Angle B is larger than angle C. D. Angle C is larger than angle B. Number 3. The two shorter sides of a triangle measure 12 centimeters and 18 centimeters. Which of the following could be the length of the longest side of the triangle? A. 30 centimeters, B. 17 centimeters, C. 27 centimeters, D. 11 centimeters. Number 4. In triangle XYZ, the measure of angle YXZ is 50 degrees, and the measure of angle XYZ is 75 degrees. What is the measure of angle XZY in degrees? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 5. The three angles of a triangle measure 70 degrees, 60 degrees, and 50 degrees. Which statement about this triangle is true? A. The shortest side of the triangle will be opposite the angle that measures 50 degrees. B. The longest side of the triangle will be opposite the angle that measures 60 degrees. C. The shortest side of the triangle will be opposite the angle that measures 70 degrees. D. The mid-size side of the triangle will be opposite the angle that measures 70 degrees. Number 6. Which of the following could be the lengths of the sides of a triangle? A. 8, 8, and 18. B. 7, 3, and 12. C. 8, 9, and 15. D. 5, 12, and 20. Number 7. ABC is an isosceles triangle with congruent sides AB and AC. The vertex angle measures 86 degrees. What is the measure of one of the base angles? A. 94 degrees, B. 47 degrees, C. 57 degrees, D. 43 degrees. Number 8. Look at the triangle shown below. Which ordering shows the lengths of the sides of the triangle from shortest to longest? A. AB, BC, AC. B. BC, AC, AB. C. AB, AC, BC. D. BC, AB, AC. Number 9. If one acute angle of a right triangle measures 47 degrees, what is the measure of the other acute angle? A. 37 degrees, B. 43 degrees, C. 53 degrees, D. 63 degrees. Number 10. If two sides of a triangle measure 123 inches and 150 inches, which of the following cannot be the length of the third side of the triangle? A. 275 inches, B. 30 inches, C. 75 inches, D. 253 inches. 11. Which model shows two equal expressions when the value of x is 4? And then A, B, C, and D. Okay, lastly, 12. Can a triangle have more than one let me reread that. Number 12. Can a triangle have more than one obtuse angle? Explain your reasoning using UPS check.